Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. Students, today's video is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn how we can upload status on WhatsApp. So let's start. If you wanna upload on status, नारान के लिए निकल रही हूँ. Leaving for Naran. You can upload your status in such a beautiful way. Leaving for Naran. आपका सफर खैर वाला हो. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. घर वापस पहुंच गई. Okay, back to home. You can simply upload these words back to home. दिन बहुत मसरूफ रहा. Had a busy day. Had a busy day. दिन बहुत मसरूफ रहा. Had a busy day. दिन बहुत मसरूफ रहा. Had a busy day. बहुत थक गई हूँ. That tired. You can simply say बहुत थक गई हूँ. I'm that tired. I am dead tired. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. Drizzling here. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. Drizzling here. Drizzling here. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. Raining heavily. Raining heavily. Raining heavily. Okay, the next one. If you want to tell someone that you just want to cry, right? Simply you can upload in such a way, feel like crying. रोने का दिल कर रहा है, right? Feel like crying. Feel like crying. बेहद खुश हूँ. On the cloud 9. Oh my God. Very important. You will not say I'm very happy, very excited, super excited. No, no, no. बेहद खुश हूँ. On the cloud 9. On the cloud 9. हमेशा खुश रहो. Stay happy forever. हमेशा खुश रहो. Stay happy forever. Stay happy forever. खूबसूरत गिफ्ट के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for beautiful gift. खूबसूरत गिफ्ट के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for beautiful gift. Thank you for beautiful gift. Okay, the next one. Okay, if you want someone to watch some specific video, right? You can upload your status in such a way, must watch this video. Must watch this video. Must watch this video. नया मोबाइल ले लिया. Okay, got a new mobile. नया मोबाइल ले लिया. Got a new mobile. मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे खूबसूरत दिन. Oh my God, the most beautiful day of my life. मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे खूबसूरत दिन. The most beautiful day of my life. The most beautiful day of my life. खाना बहुत मजे का था. The meal was delicious. The word is delicious. The meal was delicious. Okay guys, if you want to upload a status about some specific or special person and you want to tell that person I have spent a very good time with you, you can write in such a way. एंजेलिना के साथ बहुत मजे का टाइम गुजरा. Had a quality time with Angelina. एंजेलिना के साथ बहुत मजे का वक्त गुजरा. Had a quality time with Angelina. Had a quality time with Angelina. मेहमान नवाजी के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for your hospitality. मेहमान नवाजी के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for your hospitality. बिल्कुल सही. Absolutely right. बिल्कुल सही. Absolutely right. सही कहा. Well said. सही कहा. ठीक कहा. Well said. You can say well said. आप सबको इत्तला दी जाती है. It is informed to all of you. आप सबको इत्तला दी जाती है. It is informed to all of you. It is informed to all of you. प्लीज सब एंजेलिना के लिए दुआ कीजिए. प्लीज प्रे फॉर एंजेलिना. प्लीज सब एंजेलिना के लिए दुआ कीजिए. प्लीज प्रे ऑल फॉर एंजेलिना. और यू कैन सिंपली से प्लीज प्रे फॉर एंजेलिना. कोई ऑनलाइन है? Anybody online? This is interrogation question mark. You're trying to ask someone, right? कोई ऑनलाइन है? Anyone online? तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. Not feeling well. तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और आप कह सकते हैं अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही, right? Not feeling well. Not feeling well. आप पर रहमतें हों. Stay blessed. आप पर रहमतें हों. Stay blessed. So guys, this is all about today's lecture. I hope it's quite interesting for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.